What is the Edelman Fossil Park Experience? It's a class. We're learning about the common fossils that we're going to find, and we'll clean them up and get to display them at the end. I think it's an amazing opportunity that we have this place so close to us. It's a great experience for anybody that's looking to do something like this, and it's just really cool to have something like this so close that we're able to use. We each have our own little section here. We dig it out, and then we get to, just as slow as we can, just start scraping away and see what fossils we can find. Later in the semester, when we get back into the lab, I'm going to take all the fossils we've been collecting, learn how to clean them off, piece them back together if we have to, and make sure we identify them and display them.
As an RTF major, I decided to take this course not only because it qualified as a scientific literacy credit, but also because I like to tell stories. I like to have life experience. I like to do things outside what most RTF majors would do. And you never know, as a screenwriter, what kind of stories you're going to tell. As a non-geology major, a lot of people tend to feel afraid, like it's just too much, or their knowledge set isn't there. Dr. Bowles does a really good job at starting this class from zero. Dr. Bowles does a really good job of explaining the importance of not just the fossils, but the dinosaurs that they came from, why things are the way they are, and how they came to be. And there'll be stuff that we're learning in the lab that we aren't learning out on the field. And you need no previous knowledge of dinosaurs at all to take part in this.
I took this course as an elective, just thought it would be a really fun class. I've always been interested in geology and fossils. I was here once before when I was little, and I thought it would be really cool to come back and get more of a chance to dig.
There's people here because they're really into dinosaurs, or they're geology majors, they're science majors. You get to be around people other than yourself and listen to them while you work, while you're sitting here, understand who they are as individuals. Not only are you experiencing this, but you're experiencing this with them. Here you get to get down in the dirt and do the work yourself. It brings a whole different amount of closeness to it.